Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn second part of the lesson. Lesson name is Tenali Rama and the Thieves. Let's continue the lesson. First, what do you see in this picture? Who are there? They are thieves. What they doing? They draw the water from the well. Why they are doing? What happened? Let's go to our lesson. The thieves heard the conversation and became very happy. In previous class, we learned the part 1 of the lesson in that the Tenali Rama shouted loudly to his wife Sharada. He heard that a gang of thieves have entered the city. We can pack our valuable things in this box and we can drop it into the well. It will be safe there. This conversation is between Tenali Rama and Sharada. This conversation listening thieves, so they are very happy. Means thieves are thinking we can take that all valuable things. They waited patiently for Tenali Rama and his wife to put the box into the well. See, in this picture, Tenali Rama and Sharada throwing the big box into the well. Tenali Rama and his wife packed the box with stones. This box filled with big stones. Tenali Rama and his wife packed the box with stones. They lifted the heavy box with great difficulty and dropped it into the well. This box is very heavy. It is very difficult to lift. Next. Then the couple entered the house and slept. After some time, the thieves rushed to the well. Throughout the night they drew water from the well to get the treasure box out. The Tenali Rama and his wife Sharada entered the house and slept. All over the night they threw the water from the well. See in this picture, they are throwing the water from the well. Finally, they got the box. They were extremely shocked and angry to see just some stones in it. Finally, they got the box. They were shocked and very angry. Why? Because in the big box filled with stones. They understood that it was Tenali Rama's plan to make them fools. Then Tenali Rama came to the thieves and said, "Thank you, friends, for watering my plants all through the night. I want to reward both of you in the king's palace for the services you have rendered to me." The thieves got scared and ran away from there. What Tenali Rama said? "I will give you reward at Vijayanagara kingdom." The both thieves ran away from there. All of you understand the lesson. All of you listen carefully, underline the words. Conversation, conversation, conversation. very, happy, very happy. Waited, waited. Waited. Patiently, patiently. patiently. Packed. P-A-C-K-E-D. Packed. Great. G-R-E-A-T. Great. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T-Y. Difficulty. L-I-F-T-E-D. Lifted. H-E-A-B-Y. Heavy. Box. B-O-X. Box. Dropped. D-R-O-P-P-E-D. Dropped. Couple. C-O-U-P-L-E. Couple. Entered. E-N-T-E-R-E-D. Entered. Thieves. T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Thieves. Treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. Treasure. Finally. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y. Finally. Extremely. E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y. Extremely. Shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D. Shocked. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Understood. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D. Understood. Reward. R-E-W-A-R-D. Reward. Palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. Palace. Services. S-E-R-V-I-C-E-S. Services. R-E-N-D-E-R-E-D. Rendered. Scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Ran away. R-A-N-A-W-A-Y. Ran away. All of you copy these notes. Meanings are glossary. Jested. J-E-S-T-E-R. A man who tells jokes and makes people laugh. A man who tells jokes and makes people laugh. Rushed. Done in a hurry. R-U-S-H-E-D. Rushed. D-O-N-E. Done. I-N in. A-H-U-R-R-Y. Hurry. Escape. E-S-C-A-P-E. Escape. To get free from something. T-O-2-G-E-T. Get. F-R-E-E. Free. F-R-O-M. From. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. Something. Next. Opposite words. Empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. F-U-L-L. Full. F-A-S-T. Fast. S-L-O-W. Slow. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. O-P-E-N. Open. C-L-O-S-E. Close. T-A-L-L. Tall. S-H-O-R-T. Short. I will repeat. Opposite words. Empty. Full. Fast. Slow. Inside. Outside. Open. Close. Tall. Short. Next. Singular plural words. Plant. Plants. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Service. S-E-R-V-I-C-E. Service. S-E-R-V-I-C-E-S. Services. I will repeat singular plural words. Plant. Plants. Friend. Friends. Service. Services. All of you copy these notes. Write neatly, all of you.